Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to connect your SATA hard drive as a USB, right? Sometimes you have a lot of hard drives and you might find it so expensive to buy USB which has at least 500 megabytes, 500 gigs, sorry. So now I have my SATA hard drive here. It was for my laptop, one of the previous laptops, right? So since I have it here, I want to connect it here, and once I download all my videos, I'm gonna put them here. I need to do a YouTube backup, so that's the reason why I say, okay, let me use this. Okay, still working, and let's see how many gig it has. It has 750 gig, right? That's enough for me anyway. So I'm gonna do that. So but before you do that, there's a device you have to find. This is a device, so let me check for you. It's written USB SATA. It looks like this, right? Then it has two cables, USB cables this side, the ones you put in your computer to give it power and data transfer. Okay, that's good. So what you do, you take this and plug it here. Okay, I'll plug it for you. Hard drives don't need those. Okay, gonna insert it here. Wow, I'm struggling to do this. Okay. Okay, let me see. See, once you put it on, press that. It's gonna lock in. Once it has locked in, then you're good to go. So put it here. You can see we have nothing here, right? So once we put it on, you're gonna see the light's gonna go on for that. So I'm gonna put the first port here. Okay, you can see the light went on. It means it got power. So I'm gonna put another supporting USB. So give it time. It might not come same time, but it's gonna work. You had that set it. Yeah, you can see 750 gig. So I can open all those files the way I want. Got Windows here, got users here. Public default user. Okay, favorites, downloads, my videos. Some music. Nothing there. Then, if I want to, let me see how much space I have. Okay, it's still counting. Like the way you operate your USB. Still calculating. Totaling. Yeah, This is what I wanted free space. You can see free space we have here. That's a free space we have, 732. You get me? So that's all we needed, so we don't need more stuff here. I can even decide to format it because I want to put all my videos here. Can format. Yes. Say next. Can erase. Say format. Being formatted. Disappeared. Let's see if it's gonna come back. Still formatting. Well, you see this device, the one I used to connect here. You can buy it. Let me see. There's another website where you can get it from. Let's go to Google Chrome. Okay. Trying to say view. There's this website called View2Tech. View2Tech.com. If you're outside the country, it could. If it's outside, you're not in South Africa, it could be a problem to. Shipping might be very difficult for you or expensive. But if in South Africa, I'm sure they deliver free. This website is called view2tech.com. So you can go and type in here. Let's say USB. Then we enter. Yeah, this is the same device. You can see. Double click on it. Okay. Can see how much is this? 250 rands. It could be $10 to $20. Yeah, just $20 US dollars. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think that gives more sense to me, and I hope the video helped, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys. Subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks. See you in the next video.